Hey everyone, it's Megan with CraftyPlannerLovR here, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be planning for September 11th through the 17th in my catch-all planner using this SweetRTDesigns kit. It is the Berenstain Bears, and I thought it was the perfect kit for summer and back to school time and lots of different things, because Berenstain Bears was something that I grew up reading and watching, and I just love them, and I thought this would be a perfect spread for me to do. So she does have it in a ton of different, like you can get the entire kit, and I think I just got a few of them. So I got the dates, the like functional sheet, the checklist and boxes, the headers and quarter boxes, the washi, and the full boxes. And then I also chose to get the sidebar add-on. So that is what we're working with today, and we're not going to waste any time. We're going to go ahead and jump into this month's spread, or this week's spread, sorry, not this month's. Alright guys, this might surprise you, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to keep the washi down the spine because it matches the colors in the kit. I know, that's shocking for me too, but that's what I'm thinking we're doing. So I'm going to start by adding the washi here. And of course, we're going to do the washi at the bottom. Now, if you saw last week's video, you know that I have been experimenting with no white space spreads. So I did an entire spread pretty much with no white space, and I seem to really enjoy it. It's definitely something that I have a lot of fun doing. So I think I'm going to continue doing that this week as well and see how that goes. And if you guys are not already aware, I think you probably are because I've been talking about it nonstop, but I am currently in Disneyland right now. The day you see this video, I will be still in Disneyland, and I am so excited. Y'all, this has just been something that I've been looking forward to for such a long time, and I can't tell you how pumped I am to finally get my vacation going, and I'm excited. So that is what we are, that's what we're doing this week. We're just going to talk about Disneyland nonstop, so you are welcome. So I went ahead and laid down the washi, and right now I'm writing out this September box here because I'm going to put the Berenstain Bears, or however you pronounce it. I say Berenstain, some people say Berenstain Bears, but I don't know. I was just told to say Berenstain Bears, so that is what we're doing. I'm writing that out, and now we have a start. And because I'm going to be in Disneyland this week, I'm really not going to be focusing on, well, I'm going to be in Disneyland the first half of the week. This half of the week, I'm going to, I believe the family is leaving because my dad's going with us, and so my mom's coming down as well. And I believe they're leaving on Wednesday, so I start work on Thursday. So, big sad, but such is life. Let's do Pop and Little Buddy over here. I really love her kits. If you guys have seen any of my, I do have a flip through of January through June of 2023 in this planner, and I shared a couple of her full page kits that I've used. So if you guys have seen that, then you know that I usually use her full page ones, and I haven't been doing that because I want to start using my stash. There are a couple people in the planner community who are using their stash and inspiring me, and I think that is awesome. So that's what I'm trying to do too. And we will see how well that works out, because as we know, I am not very good at using my stash. I like to buy things a lot. Okay, I think we've laid down, oopsie, all of the full stickers. So now it is time to start adding some boxes. Oh, we should probably add the date covers too. Now the 14th looks a little funny because I did not have a 14. I think I had accidentally used it in something else. And these date stickers are from the kit, but the numbers are from Redhead Stickers. So the 4 looks a little funny because I had to use it from a different kit and I thought it was the same one and it wasn't. And yeah, so that's why the 14 looks a little funky, but we're just going to ignore it because that's the day I come back, you know, from my Disneyland vacation. So it's already a sad day. So the 4 looks a little sad because I'm sad. And that's what we're going with. All right. I'm going to try and use up this kit too. I tried in my social media spread, I tried to use up every little bit and piece of the kit. And so that is what we're trying to do this week as well. So I do have the weekend banner and I'm going to be a little weird. And I know you guys on Instagram, they especially don't like it. But my weekend isn't always, you know, Saturday and Sunday. It's sometimes, you know, in the middle of the week when I'm, you know, not at work. So my weekend is actually going to be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So I'm actually going to have to move Pop and Lil Bud down. Is it sad that I can't remember their names? I remember the Berenstain Bears. I remember watching it and loving it, but I can't remember their names. And I'm going to feel silly for not remembering their names the whole day now. So I think his name is Pop and Mom. I think that's the parents' names. But, you know, it's fine. Okay, I moved them down so that I can put the weekend banner right here. And I am going to line, oopsie, it with this green, these green headers, because that way I can separate the color a little bit. Okay. I can already see everyone on Instagram being like, the weekend is on Friday and Saturday. And I'm going to be like, I'm sorry. This is my weekend. There we go. That's good. All right, let's put all of the things on here. So we have got Mondays suck. I like that. Mondays do suck. Not this Monday, but Mondays do suck. You know what? We like Mondays on this day. However, we do need clean house, but first coffee. And I am going to still put this birthday sticker here because it is my birthday trip still on this day. So we are going to put the birthday sticker here. Because it's still my birthday trip. There we go. All right, let's lay down some plans and get this spread acting like a spread. right, this turned out super cute. I love this so much, and I feel like the 14 isn't super noticeable, so that is good. All right, you guys, this is my spread for this week in my catch-all planner, and I love it. I think that it turned out super cute and really, really fun. I forgot how much I love to use regular, just like fun, not themed kits, like anytime kits, and this was definitely a really fun kit to plan out and use. I really hope you guys enjoyed seeing me put this together and seeing me kind of plan out my week. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more from me, I do have an entire playlist related to the catch-all planner and other planners as well, like my social media, big health and wellness, my budget planner, lots of different ones for you to check out if you are interested in seeing how I plan. If you are new here, hello, welcome. My name is Megan. I am so excited you decided to join me. I hope you'll stick around for more. If you're interested in seeing my other content related to crafting, I have tons of playlists, craft hauls. I do have a current series called Steal Like an Artist, tons of other things for you to check out, and I do have a series of cruise and travel vlogs that I am currently doing right now. My August cruise ended and I am going through and editing everything, so if you guys are interested in watching that series, definitely check it out. I will leave it in the cards. Once again, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was fun watching me put this together, and until next time, craft on. Bye guys!